Skylight Social app. So this is the best alternative for TikTok. So what this app is about? So this is kind of like video TikTok like client for Blue Sky app. So first of all, you need to have Blue Sky app separately, and you need to have an account on Blue Sky. So here is my Blue Sky account. So you need to create it separately with your Blue Sky app. And then with this Blue Sky account, you just log into Skylight Social. So Skylight Social is not like a separate app. It's just basically like a video client for your Blue Sky. And then you just open it up and you need to log in with your Blue Sky account. And after you did, you have this app kind of like a TikTok, kind of like a TikTok
Not paying a
content like that. And there is a lot of content here, and a lot of users trying this app, especially this weekend. It's very kind of basic, so you have all the basic functionality of TikTok, but it doesn't have all these advanced filters, all these advanced editing modes and all of these things, but it's good enough. And you just consume video content in this way. But of course, it's getting from your Blue Sky account. So then, yeah, you can then just search for profiles, for videos, for users in here. You can follow people. Kind of looks very similar to TikTok. And then, yeah, you can just tap to upload your videos. You can see here like all the different filters, like basic filters, timers, microphone galleries, like like basic stuff. And then, yeah, you can see then your followers, which are again coming from your Blue Sky account. And then there is your profile. So for example, you have your post. When you're posting here, it will appear here. It will appear in your drafts. And then you have liked content. And then you have settings, very basic, where you can just go again to your Blue Sky account. So something like that, what you have in here. And again, you can just browse around. And there is a lot more like chill content in here. So it's a bit less political. It's not like Twitter like content. So Blue Sky is a different vibe of the app. And yeah, there's people looking for alternatives. Some people can say that, yeah, Twitter is X app is more on the right side. Blue Sky is more like left wing, if you take like political spectrum. But yeah, for me, Blue Sky is just more chill content, a lot of cats, nature, and a lot of memes, videos like that.
Come on!
So yeah, kind of that's the idea. And then you can just search through it. And when you're posting content here, it will appear in your Blue Sky feed as well. So if you posted something in there, it will appear in your content in here, as you can see. And then in Blue Sky app, you have much more features, and you can delete post. I guess to delete post in Skylight Social, you need to delete it through Blue Sky, I guess. But yeah, that's the app. So try it out. Pretty cool, free to use. And yeah, I think one of the best video clients for Blue Sky. There are also like Instagram-like clients for Blue Sky. So if you like to consume content in Instagram mode, there is a separate client for that. So yeah, if you just like text, Twitter-like content, and use Blue Sky app itself. So try it out.